Hey everybody out there in the YouTube world, it's your boy Dutch the Diesel Technician, man, back with another fun tool review. Today I just copped a stubby Matco 3/8 550 foot-pounds of torque, man. Unbelievable. Just got it. Here's the box. Just got it off the tool truck that just came through. It's an early Christmas present to myself, man. I work hard, you know. But this thing is a beast. It says 9,000 revolutions per minute. This thing spent 9,000 times in 1 minute. Real torquey. So put this in this drawer with the rest of my stuff, power stuff.